Right, an Old Hitachi. An old C7U. 2000. A millennial. See what's wrong with her. It's not budging. And that's not budging. It looks like brushes. All that come out in one piece. Yep. Nope. Rusted on there. Now she is marked. Hopefully that's just where the brush was sitting. Do the bearing as well. This thing hasn't done very much. It's been lying up for years, I would say. So they just corroded under the brass holders. Get rid of the corrosion, a wee file. And depending on the brush as well, some of the actual graphite brushes, they can corrode as well, just depending on the makeup of it. Now you would assume a set of carbon brushes is just a set of carbon brushes that are all the same. And obviously they come in all different shapes and sizes, but they also come in different materials. So they can have different mixes inside as well as the graphene or carbon. Some are copper, some don't. Different wee mixes in all of them. I store them in these wee plastic tubs. Some I have to put a wee liner on because they eventually eat into the plastic. The plastic's gone soft. The brush is actually melted or burnt into the plastic. Same as these ones. No heat's got to that. It's just the actual reaction of the brush on the plastic. Melts into them. They're actually stuck to the plastic. They're not all the same. Some of the older ones can burn the plastic like that there. So some of them as well can start to corrode and react with the copper inside. So if they're left for long periods of time, they start to corrode and jam up inside. Also, if you keep them in a real wet shed, it's not going to help them either. Change this bearing. just change that to 608 on the bottom and a 6001 up top. Now, hopefully, that's her. Set of brushes and a set of bearings. That's all she needed.